Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 384 horsepower and 385 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG Night package, which is going to give you a high gloss black exterior trim, 21-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels with black accents. The tires are in good condition. We've got our bi-turbo 4MATIC badging, illuminated door sills, running boards, a black leather interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, our GLE 43 AMG badging, trailer hitch, opening up the tailgate, power lift gate, a set of new floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, a black piano lacquer trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with pre-save and active brake assist, navigation, a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for our media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 43 AMG has 14,565 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.